Lennar will cover thousands of dollars in closing costs and lock you into a promotional interest rate of under 4%. And if you're an active duty military member or veteran, you can stack that on top of that zero down VA loan. If you're relocating to Las Vegas and you're thinking about new construction, making the wrong builder choice could cost you tens of thousands in surprise upgrades and hidden out-of-pocket costs. Here are 5 reasons Lennar eliminates that risk, and stick around for reason number 4 because it's the one that's going to change how you budget for your entire move. I'm Eric Hudson, local real estate expert and retired Air Force officer. I've helped over 100 families buy and sell homes across this valley, and I specialize in military relocations to Creech Air Force Base and Nellis Air Force Base. Whether you're a PCSing to Vegas or relocating here as a civilian for the tax benefits and the wonderful lifestyle we have, this video is the information. I'm the plan. If you're watching on TV right now, grab your phone, one of these little suckers here, and scan that QR code that's popping up on the screen and get my free Vegas relocation guide and be able to connect with me if you need anything in the future. If you're on YouTube, that link is down below in the description and in the pinned comments. So here's the question I get more than any other from people moving to Las Vegas. Should I buy a resale or new construction? When you buy resale in this valley, you're buying someone else's deferred maintenance. You might get a mature neighborhood with established landscaping, but you also inherit a 15-year-old HVAC system that's been fighting the Mojave Desert summers where it hits 115 degrees. You are getting older plumbing, a roof with a ticking clock, and a floor plan that was designed for how people lived in 2008, 1990, not in 2026. And here's what catches most people off guard: your summer electric bill. In an older Las Vegas home with original windows and worn out AC units, you could easily hit $300, $400, $500 a month from June through September. New construction with modern insulation, dual pane low E windows, and high efficiency HVAC systems, it can cut that nearly in half. Over a 3-year assignment or just 3 years of living here, that's thousands of dollars back in your pocket. You also get full builder warranties with new construction. And most importantly, you do not spend your first month in your new home writing checks to contractors. Trust me, I know I get calls from people who buy homes and they're like, this went wrong. I had to go get this taken care of. You don't have to do that with the new home. But not all builders are created equal. So let me tell you why Lennar specifically deserves a hard look. Before we get into the 5 reasons, drop a comment now below. Tell me, are you leaning towards new construction or resale? I read every single one of them and I will personally respond. So let's get into reason number 1. Everything is included. What you see is what you pay. If you've ever walked through a competitor's model home, you know the game. You fall in love with the stunning kitchen, the quartz countertops, upgraded cabinets, smart home tech, and then the sales rep hands you the option sheet. Suddenly, your base price just jumped $50,000. That model you fell in love with, it was a $50,000 trap. Lennar does not play that game. Their everything included program means these features: that granite countertop, those stainless steel appliances, the smart thermostats, the Ring doorbell, they're baked into the base price. What you see in the model is what you get in the home. Let me put it this way. If a competing builder quotes you, let's say, a $500,000 base price, but it needs $50,000 in upgrades just to match what you could get from a builder like Lennar that they include in the standards, are you really comparing a $500,000 house to a $580,000 house? The math sometimes works in Lennar's favor. For my military families, this is huge. When you're planning a cross-country PCS move, the last thing you need are budget surprises. Lennar's pricing model lets you run that number once and trust them. That pricing transparency alone can be a big deal. But wait until I show you what Lennar did to their floor plans. This next one is a genuine problem solver. So reason number 2, they invented the NextGen home. It's the home within a home. How do you handle multi-generational living? The sandwich generation when you're relocating to Las Vegas? Lennar solves this with their NextGen floor plans. And honestly, This is one of the most underrated features in new construction right now. These homes have completely separate suites built under the same roof. It's a private entrance. It's its own living area, kitchenette, bedroom, and full bathroom. I've walked these floor plans personally, and the separation is real. You're not sharing a wall with a bedroom and calling it multi-gen. This is a legitimate separate living space. Whether you have aging parents relocating with you, an adult child who needs their own space, or just want an incredible guest suite for a family visiting from out of state, NextGen is a game changer. Lennar pioneered this concept, and in my experiences, these homes do move fast across the valley, even in resale, especially in resale. Now, having the right home means nothing if you're in the wrong spot. And that's where my local expertise really kicks in. Reason number 3, location. Which Lennar communities fit your commute and your family? Location is where Lennar really separates itself. They're not building one corner of the valley and hoping that works. They have strategically placed over 50 active communities across Las Vegas, Henderson, and North Las Vegas right now. Let me break this down by who you are. If you want a top tier master plan living, like look at Summerlin, ranked 9th in the entire country for master plan communities, or Cadence in Henderson, which came in number 3 nationally with over 1,200 new home sales last year. Cadence has 50-acre Central Park, great schools, and a lifestyle that's hard to beat. For my families with kids, this matters. Cadence feeds in some of the higher rated school systems here in Clark County, which is the 5th largest district in the entire country. School ratings in Las Vegas vary wildly by neighborhood, from 2s all the way up to 9s on great schools. So where you buy literally determines your child's education. There is one more reason to work with someone who knows the school zone map, not just the housing map. Drop a comment, tell me which part of the valley are you looking at? Summerlin, Henderson, North Las Vegas. I'll personally respond with the neighborhood specific intel. For my military families, PCSing the Nellis Air Force Base. And this is where I can really earn my keep. Lennar has communities in North Las Vegas that puts you minutes from the gate. We have Simmons, Craig Point, Centennial Point, and Heritage Square. All are short drives to base. You get a brand new home without the soul-crushing hour commute. And it's down to 15 minutes. All right, real talk for a second. I'm about to give you some intel on Creech Air Force Base communities that I guarantee you're not going to find in any builder's marketing material or any other YouTube video. This is the stuff that only comes from actually living and working in this market every single day. If you're headed to Creech Air Force Base, Lennar's Sunstone community in Northwest Las Vegas puts you right on the 95 headed north. The commute reality for Creech is 45 miles, so there's no sugarcoating it. But from Sunstone, you skip the worst of the metro traffic and you're in one of the newest master plan communities in the valley with trails, parks, and proximity to Mount Charleston for that winter ski trip. And here is the pro tip that most people do not know about. There's a free Fed van shuttle program for Creech personnel. You park at a designated lot in the metro area, you ride to base. That saves you gas, it saves you mileage on your car, and cuts the stress out of the daily drive. Now I'm really going to give you a bonus. Ready for this? Call the following number, 702-404-1731 for all the current pickup locations. That's the kind of intel you're only going to get from someone who actually serves in this community and served our country in the Air Force. You now know where to buy, but here's the point that's going to save you the most money. And it's the reason I told you to pay attention. And that's reason number 4. It's the builder incentives and military support. How do you keep cash in your pocket? I like that cashy money in my pocket. This is the reason I told you that would change how you budget your entire move. Right now, in spring 2026, Lennar is running promotional financing through Lennar Mortgage that includes significant interest rate buydowns. We're talking about rates under 4% on selected adjustable programs, plus thousands of dollars in closing cost assistance. Those specific numbers rotate regularly, so always confirm the current promotion before you make a decision. But the incentive structure has been consistently aggressive throughout this entire spring selling season. Now, stack this. Lennar has a history of providing additional closing cost incentives specifically for active duty military, veterans, and first responders. If you combine builder incentives with that beautiful, beautiful zero down VA loan, and remember, Nevada has no state income tax. So your BAH stretches further here than in most active duty stations. Buying a Lennar home becomes one of the smartest financial moves you can make during a PCS. Let me put real numbers to this hypothetical situation. A staff sergeant / E5 for the other services with dependents at Nellis receives $2,070 a month in BAH for this year, 2026. A tech sergeant gets $2,208. A captain gets $2,382. A major gets $2,610. That BAH is tax free. And many VA lenders will gross that up when calculating your debt to income ratio, which provides you with real buying power that is way higher than you think. Now, I know some of you are asking the big question, should I even buy or should I just rent during this assignment or if I move to Las Vegas? Here is how I break it down. If your tour at Nellis or Creech is 3 years or longer, buying almost always builds equity that renting cannot. And with zero down VA loan, your out-of-pocket expenses to get that new home can be nearly identical to a rental security deposit. Plus, with Las Vegas home values appreciating 2 to 4% annually now, not the crazy ones like they were in the past, over the last few years, you're building wealth while you serve. I have a whole video breaking down the buy versus rent for military families at Nellis, and we're going to link it right here on the screen. Bottom line, you keep your cash for move, for furniture, for getting your family settled instead of draining your savings at the closing table. Now we get into reason number 5. Total peace of mind, and those are warranties that let you focus on your mission. Moving is stressful enough without worrying about your house falling apart. When you buy a Lennar home, you get a comprehensive builder warranty covering workmanship, the mechanical systems behind the wall, and the long-term structural protection. If your AC goes down in July when it's 112 degrees outside. For military families who might deploy or go TDY, knowing your family is in a reliable home with the warranty protection is not just convenient, it's kind of mission critical. You focus on the mission, your home front is secure. Bottom line, should you buy a Lennar home in 2026? If you want transparent pricing with no upgrade surprises, innovative floor plans including multi-generational living, prime locations across the valley, near the best schools, real financial incentives that keep cash in your pocket, and peace of mind of a full builder warranty, yes, Lennar earns the top spot on this builder battle. With townhomes and condos starting in the low 300s to single family homes ranging starting about 500 or so, and we got luxury options in Summerlin going even higher. There is a Lennar home for almost every BAH rate and every budget for my civilians. Now, here's what I want you to do right now. If this video helped you understand what Lennar brings to the table, hit that subscribe button. I put out honest, no sugarcoating content about Las Vegas real estate every single week. And if you're ready to talk about your specific situation, whether you're buying, selling, or just trying to figure out your next move, I offer free consultation calls, no pressure, no pitch, just a real conversation about what makes sense for you. And if you have it, your family. Here's the thing. Builder incentives change every single month. The rates and closing cost credits I mentioned today will not last forever. If you want me to run the numbers on your specific situation before the current Lennar promotions rotate out, schedule that free call now. The link is right down below and in the description, and of course those pinned comments. I also have that free Las Vegas relocation and marketing guide, which covers everything we talked about today, including guides specifically for my Air Force brothers and sisters, along with the other services, PCSing to Nellis and Creech, and of course veterans. Grab that link below in the description and the pinned comments from military brothers and sisters. You know the drill. Alpha Mike Foxtrot. For everyone else, I want to thank you for being part of this community because you are the majority of my viewers. I genuinely appreciate every single one of you. And you know I love you. And we're going to keep them lights on for you. Now, guess what? That QR code is popping up again. Because I know some of you are on TV, so you don't have the option to just go click. Just pick up your phone, scan this QR code. You can get all those guides, and you can get a whole bunch of information I have for you. Let's go ahead and connect. And now a video is going to pop up from YouTube. According to them, you're going to love it and that you're going to want to meet me over there. So go ahead and meet me over in that next video, and we'll talk again.